From the ABC St. Louis studios, this is the Allman Report.
A familiar sound on the St. Louis airwaves is gone, at least for now. This morning, 5 on Your Side has confirmed that Jamie Allman is off the air in St. Louis, pulled from both his television and now his radio shows.
It all centers around a tweet he posted about a school shooting survivor. Our Abby Larico is live downtown with an update on this developing story. Good morning, Abby.
Hey, good morning, Allie and Rennie. So Jamie Allman has been a loud voice for years in St. Louis TV and radio. Well, these airwaves are a little bit quieter this morning. That's following, though, a loud outcry against him. Now, a couple weeks ago, he posted a threatening tweet, and we've chosen not to discuss in detail what exactly that tweet said, but it was about a Parkland school shooting survivor threatening to assault him, with a hot fireplace poker. Now, Sinclair Broadcasting confirmed they took his TV show off air after several sponsors pulled their spots from the local ABC station. David Hogg, who's the subject of his tweet, responded with news of the show's cancellation by simply calling attention back to gun violence. That's been his cause since surviving that massacre in Parkland. David Hogg, just 17 years old. Now, here's how you guys have been responding on our Facebook page. Tony says, "You never pick on a child. What if it was your kid?" Now, Susan laments the decision, saying so much for freedom of speech, and says it doesn't seem to apply to the conservative. And Camille echoes that, questioning the station's decision to continue airing Jimmy Kimmel after his disparaging comments about the president. Peggy, though, says he made a threat about sexually assaulting a young boy and people are defending him. She said, yikes. But James says, just to be clear, this is not a First Amendment issue. He says it's about being able to accept the consequences of what you choose to say. Now, the owners of 97.1, which is the radio station on which Jamie Allman's show airs every morning, say that they've taken him off air while they investigate. However, Sinclair says the show is canceled. You've heard of Sinclair a lot recently because they've been in the news for mandating local TV anchors to read a particular script. We've covered that here on Today in St. Louis. And this has made national headlines. We'll be continuing to cover it on air on the Today Show and on KSDK.com. Back to you guys.
All right. Thank you, Abby.